What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So in this time I'd like to share you how to create the water ripple effect like this. And if you need this water ripple effect as your, let's say, as your asset to create the video, don't worry guys, because create this one, it is 100% for free and this is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Meta AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get a more spacious view. And if you would like to access this Meta AI, usually it will also allows you to do the login, however with your Instagram or from the Facebook, because this Meta also related into the product from the Mark Zuckerberg's, for example the Facebook and also the Instagram. So you can choose which one of the account, whether that from the Facebook or Instagram, if you would like to do the login and use this Meta. And for example, I have done to try the login before, and after that you can go to this section as anything, and if you see this AI, you don't need to, let's say, click the setting over here like the image or create a video. You just put it the simple or the random prompt into this section. Let's say I will put it create a simple water ripple effect, and after that you can start to click send over here. However, if you have the picture or maybe the picture reference or image reference, so you can also upload it over here. However, in this time I'd like to share you if we use the raw prompt or the simple raw prompt or the request to create this video asset or the water ripple effects. So you can continue to click send over here, and after that it will take a little while to generate it into the water ripple effect. So as you can see, you will have 4 video ripple effect or the video asset that you can also use this, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly guys. And you will see all of them is still in the loading process and almost show you the 100% look of the water ripple. And let's check it out. Okay, it is very beautiful. And let's say this one. And maybe this one. Or this one. All of them you can also simply download it by clicking this download button. And you can also do the editing, let's say do the image prompt or describe your image over here, or do the refine of your prompt before. And also you can add the music, let's say from the trending, suggested and saved music, and also extend the animation and also restyle it. Which one do you prefer? So don't forget to try and also explore more about this Meta AI to create your favorite water ripple effect. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.